From the PEP Radio Newsroom, this is the Lunch Hour News Blast. LGBTQ Nation is reporting that the Department of Health and Human Services has altered the official portrait of Admiral Levine, the out transgender former Assistant Secretary for Health under President Joe Biden, to display Levine's dead name, a needless act of transphobia that Levine has called petty. Her portrait hangs in the HHS office alongside those of other federal health officials who have led the U.S. Public Health Corps. During the federal shutdown, the current leadership of the Office of the Assistant Secretary for Health changed Admiral Levine's photo to remove her current legal name and use a prior name. Levine's spokesperson, Adrian Shanker, former Deputy Assistant Secretary for Health Policy under Biden, told NPR. Shanker called the move an unprecedented act of bigotry against her, though Levine said, "I'm not going to comment on this type of petty action." When asked about the alteration, HHS spokesperson Andrew Nixon told the aforementioned news outlet, "Our priority is ensuring that the information presented internally and externally by HHS reflects gold standard science. We remain committed to reserving harmful policies enacted by Levine and ensuring that biological reality guides our approach to public health." Bullshit. An anonymous HHS staffer told NPR that they considered the change disrespectful, adding that it exemplifies the erasure of transgender individuals by this administration. Upon taking office, the president issued numerous executive orders denying all federal recognition of trans people and kicking trans people out of the military for being selfish, dishonorable, deceitful, and undisciplined. If only someone would do that to Donald Trump. Levine was the first out trans person to receive Senate confirmation. On October 19, 2021, Levine became the first out trans four-star officer in the U.S. Public Health Service Commission Corps, a non-combatant service of the nation's 8 uniformed services which promotes public health and safety. She resigned on the current president's first day in office. The current Assistant Secretary for Health is Admiral Brian Christine, a medical doctor who was appointed in November. That's the News Blast for this hour. If you are watching our news content on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. PEP Radio is available on the Live 365 app, the PEP Radio page at paequality.com, Roku, and Alexa. Up next, we have the Meadville area weather forecast here on PEP Radio.